Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Hope you are ready for the video. In this video, we will discuss about micro lesson plan for science subject, and this is the index part of the micro lesson plan. We will discuss 5 micro lesson plan. First will be skill of introduction, skill of explanation. Third is skill of blackboard, skill of questioning, and fifth is skill of reinforcement. Now first micro lesson plan. It's for class 9th, topic matter, and always micro lesson plans are of 5 to 6 minutes only. Name of the skill is introduction skill, and then are components of skills. This means that which things are necessary while asking questions or while introducing the chapter or topic to the students. So these points are to be kept in mind before making questions for introduction. So you can read this out. All these components are very important. Then is the presentation of micro lesson plan. Here 3 columns are to be made: pupil teacher activity, pupils activity, and components. Now what's the pupil teacher activity? He or she will ask questions that what is this, pointing out at a table. Then next is what is this, pointing out at milk. And then what is this, pointing out at a balloon. So these type of questions are asked by teacher using a teaching aid. Now then pupils activity is here. Pupils activity that they will answer that questions, and components as we already discussed, all that components are mentioned here, that which component is being used while asking that question. So you can check that out, like these components: third, fourth, simple, easy, and clear statement question. Like questions should be simple, that we have already read that they are simple and easy. Then second is statement or questions are related to control. The questions answer should be in controlled manner. These questions should be not like having many answers or infinite answers. So these should be controlled, and this thing you have to keep in mind while preparing these questions. Next you can see another questions are asked. Last question is where the teacher will ask a question that students are not able to answer, and then announcement of the topic is done. Next is our evaluation sheet, where you have to make 2 or 3 columns. Like first is series number, and then components of skill that we have written on the first page, that you have to write here components of the skill. And then that is rating scale, where rating is given according to the use of components, like components which were mentioned on first page are used properly by teacher or not, or by you during teaching. So pupil teacher activity is being observed here through rating scale. Rating is given to the student pupil teacher, that how he or she worked during micro lesson plan. Then at last pupil teacher signature and supervisor signature. And here our first micro lesson plan is ending, and now micro lesson plan number 2. This is on topic heat and class 7th. Name of skill is questioning skill. Components are again here given that are different from the previous one, like questions that we ask during teaching the lesson. So these questions can be sectional recapitulation questions or final recapitulation or introduction questions also. So like here they have taken introduction questions. Again components are same as of previous one, like which component is being used during during this question. So you can check this out. Then again evaluation sheet, where component of skills and rating scale is again given as previous one. And then is student signature and supervisor signature. Third micro lesson plan, that is on topic natural resources, class 6th. Name of the skill is stimulus variation skill. Now component of skills are mentioned, like the movements, gesture, change in voice during teaching, change in interaction style, focusing verbal and non-verbal, change in sensory interaction style. So these type of variations are being noted. Now it's presentation of the topic. You can read this out, like pupil teacher activity. Pupil teacher move in the classroom and ask how many planets are there in the solar system. So students will answer that there are 8 planets, and then components which are being used in this question. So you can check it out. Then is evaluation sheet. Components of skill on left side and right hand side is rating scale. Then our fourth micro lesson plan, that is on topic sound. It's for class 8th. Name of the skill reinforcement skill. Component of skills are mentioned. Now presentation, again it's same. Pupil teachers activity, pupils activity and components. Then is again evaluation sheet. Components on one side and rating scale on another side. Then students signature and supervisor's signature. Then is our last micro lesson plan, that is for topic energy, class 6th. Name of the skill is blackboard writing skill. Component of skills, like here during blackboard work your letter should be vertical, equal size, capital letter larger than smaller letter, Letter size according to classroom. Adequate and equal space between letters. Adequate and equal space between words. Equal thickness of line. Straight lines. Adequate and equal space between lines. No overwriting. Focusing the important matter to draw attention. Continuity.
Yes, now it's
Simplicity.
again presentation of the
Making
micro
diagrams,
lesson
charts.
plan. 3 columns: pupil teacher activity, pupils activity, and components. And then some questions are asked about topic and answers by students, and then component related to which the questions are asked. At last, announcement of the topic. Then is evaluation sheet. 2 columns divided, components of skill and rating scale. All the components are written on the left side and rating scale on right side. Then student signature and supervisor's signature. You can have a look again. The content can be changed according to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.